Okay, 2 multiply 1 over 5. How we multiply it? We multiply whole number with odd number in fraction. 2 multiply 1 is 2 and the down same 5. Next one. 4 multiply 3 over 7. We multiply whole number with odd fraction. Then 4 times 3 is 12 and 7 is same. Multiply 5 by 2 over 6. The answer will be 2 multiply 5 is 10 and the down same 6. Okay. Next one. 4 multiply third. We multiply 4 with 1. 4 multiply 1 is 4 and down same 3. 2 multiply 5 over 8. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10 and denominator or down fraction is same 8. Okay. After we finish multiply whole number with fraction, if he asked you multiply whole number with fraction and put the answer in the simplest form, then you should simplify the answer. Okay, how we simplify? We expand each number like 2 is, we can write 2 like 2 times 1, okay? And 5 is 5 times 1. Any common number up with down except 1? No. Then no simplify. What about, okay, what about 12 over 7? 12 is 3 times 4 or 2 times 6 or 12 times 1. 7 is 7 times 1 only. Any common number except 1? No. 12 up and no 12 down. 1 up and 1 down, but we said any common number except 1. Then no common number with 7, then no simplify. What about 10 and 6? Check it. 10 we can expand it like 2 times 5 and 6 we can write it like 2 times 3. When we simplify, you remove 2 is 2. Then the remainder up is 5 and down is 3. Okay, next one. 4 and 3, in simplify, check it. 4 is, we can write it like 2 times 2 and 3 is 3 times 1. And 4 we can write it also 4 times 1. Any common number except 1? No, then no simplify in this fraction. What about 10 and 8? Okay, 10 we can expand it like 2 times 5 and 8 like 2 times 4. We have a common number 2 up and 2 down, then remove it. And the remainder up is what? Is 5 and the remainder down is 4. Okay, more exercise. 5 multiply 2 over 4. Okay. We said multiply whole number with up number in fraction. Then 5 times 2 is 10 and 4 down. If you want you to simplify the answer or put the answer in the simplest form, then you can expand each number. 10 we can write it like 2 times 5 and 4 we can write it like 2 times 2. And any common number up with down, yes, we take 2 up and 2 down. 1 2, no 2 2. Okay, remove 2 is 2. Then the remainder up is 5 and the down is 2. Okay, next one. 7 multiply 4 over 12. Okay, now we can multiply 7 by 4. 7 multiply 4 is 28. Okay, and down we have 12. If you wanted to simplify this fraction, you expand each number. 12 we can write it like 2 times 6 or 2 times 6 or 4 times 3 or 3 times 4, it's same. And the 28 we can write it like 4 times 7. Now we have common number 4 up and 4 down. Then we can remove it together. And the remainder up is 7 and the down is 3. Okay. Sometimes he asked you to put the answer as a mixed number. Okay. For example, 2 multiply 3 over 5. We multiply 2 by 3 is 6 and 5 is down. In simplify first. 6 is 2 times 3 and 5 is 5 times 1. Then no simplify. Okay. Then we can remove it. Okay, how we can write this fraction as a mixed number? Okay, 6 divided 5, we can or not? We can't. Okay, if we make it less than 6, like 5 divided 5, yes we can. Then write 6 as a 5 and the remainder is 1. Okay, and now we can write 5 divided 5 is what? Is 1. Write it out fraction. And the remainder up is 1 and the down is 5. Okay. In this fraction, if he asked you also write the answer as a mixed number, after we do multiply and simplify, we can convert this fraction to mixed number. How? Make 7 divisible by 3. Okay, 7 divided 3 we can't. Okay, make it less than 7 and try it. 6 divided 3, yes. Then I change it, write 7 as 6 and the remainder is 1. 6 divided 3 is 2. Write it out fraction and the 1 up and the 3 down. In this fraction also we can write it as a mixed number. Like 5 divided 2 we can't make it 4. 4 divided 2, yes we can. Then make 5 like 4 and the remainder is 1. Then divide it. 4 divided 2 is 2. We write it out and the up is 1 and the down is 2. Okay. More question. 3 multiply 5 over 7. Okay. Okay, I want to make it 8. 3 times 8 is 24. And down you write 7. In simplify, if you expand the x number, 24 is 3 times 8 or 4 times 6 and 7 is 7 times 1, no common number. Okay, then no simplify. We want to write this fraction as a mixed number. We make 24 divisible by 7. How? Make it less than 24. 23 divided 7, we can't. Okay, make it 22. We can't. Make it 21. Yes, we can. Then write 24 like as a 21 and the remainder is what? 21. Difference between 21 and the 24 is 3. Then the remainder is 3. Okay? And write fraction 21 divided 7 is 3 and the remainder of 3, remainder down is 7. Okay, we finished now, and anyone have a question can write it down in the video and ask me, and soon inshallah I will solve it. Okay, bye.